Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So I decided it is time for a tour of my delphiniums. Now I've done things a little bit better this year with regard to the care of them, and I want to share that with you. I also want to do a little bit of a test to see how tall these really are. So we've had a lot of rain this year and it's done amazing things for the delphinium. Now they aren't all in bloom yet. However, if the weather turns on the weekend, it will ruin the blooms on the delphiniums, so I wanted to be able to share them with you before that happens. Now, they are really tall. I've done some things very well this year with the delphinium. And Rob helped me out here, so I got to give him credit here. He started staking these and then wrapping the string around them, and you can see, I mean, the stakes are not perfectly straight, and that's okay. But it's really done a good job of keeping them upright and very straight. So I'm very thankful for that. So Rob, thank you for doing that and helping me out, because this makes a huge difference in how the delphinium grow. And it also adds to the height because now they're straighter, so you can see how tall they can get. And I'm very happy with them this year, and I'm happy with how thick they were. If you want to see my other videos for how I care for the delphinium in the spring and in the fall, check them out. But every year I'll probably do a tour of the delphinium just so you can see how they're doing and how they mature over time. And if any colors are new that come in here, because I do add more seed. So sometimes you luck out and get maybe a little more lavender, a little more pink in the mix. Now, this bed is not perfect. I'm a gardener and I told you guys I would be upfront and clear. My garden is not perfect. I do have some weeds. I wouldn't say I have a lot of weeds. Maybe in some areas I have more than I want. I also have a lot of perennials I've started from seed that maybe look like a weed. But here I do have some weeds. I'm going to point them out right now, full disclosure. And for anyone that wants to criticize me and say all my plants look like weeds, I talk too much and I repeat myself too much. To those people that are rude like that, you can bite me and don't watch my channel. Like, get a life, go do something else, go troll somebody else if that's what gets you off. But stay away from my channel, because this is a garden community and I want to share the garden with people that care about gardening and like it. So I'm off my soapbox now. I had to get that out there because I don't appreciate offensive people coming in and being rude in the comments, because this is where we share our knowledge and our experience and our tips and tricks with each other. So you can see here, they look good. And they look really pretty blowing in the breeze. I have a good variety of colors and I will share those with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full scan of all the delphinium and show you what they look like without any chatter from me, just so you can enjoy the color like I do when I look at them. These ones here in my flower bed, they are not staked. And the reason I wanted to show these is there's some different colors over here. There's a beautiful lavender in here. This is the second year for these, but let's look at the color on these. These actually are very nice for hiding the ditch or hiding something unsightly until you have to cut them back. And then, you know, everything's exposed again. But aren't these beautiful in the sun? Look at that color. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to plant some Pacific giant delphiniums in your garden. And I'd like to encourage you to direct sow them outside and don't waste your time starting them inside. They grow easily outside in the garden, planted on top of the soil. Do not cover them, keep them moist, and give them sun. And then you probably want to stake them when they grow. I should have staked these, but they seem to be okay here. They're a little more sheltered, but that would be a tip. Otherwise, in any area that has a lot of wind, you want to stabilize them. And the best way is to stake the entire group of them. If you have enough stakes, you can do them individually, but group staking with rope at various levels up is the best way to protect these. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed it.